Hello everyone! Isang magandang araw po sa inyong lahat at back to normal na ulit ako. Nandito na kami sa Calgary and may trabaho ako ngayon as usual, evening shift. At yung last video sa Philippines na ipapakita ko sa inyo after this ay yung mga last few days namin sa Manila. So, hindi masyadong mahaba, short clips lang siya kasi ang gamit ko lang ay yung phone ng asawa ko. So, meron kasi nangyari na ikakwento ko na lang sa susunod pa na video ko na medyo nakakalungkot pero sa next ko na lang ikukwento. Anyways, makikita ninyo dito yung mga pinupuntahan naming mag-asawa nung kami ay nakatira pa sa Pilipinas at paborito naming kainan, pasyalan, from yung mga simple lang sa nakainan at parang turo-turo lang, tindahan, ganyan. Pinuntahan namin yon and yun ang ipapakita kong sa inyo today. So sana magustuhan ninyo. Malay nyo, pag umuwi kayo ng Pilipinas, pwede din ninyong itry. At yun lang po. At sana magustuhan nyo. Ito na ang Cebu Pacific. Ready for landing na kami. At ang nakikita ninyo ay overlooking the vicinity of our airport. Ang daming bahay, ano?
That's the sunken garden. Wow, this area is still there.
This is the sunken garden. We call it the sunken garden. We can stay there in a while.
Mama,
Wow, there's a lot of
bigger than the piece of land that we usually use for events and sports.
Area for the exercise.
Wow, looks like there's
Kuya
a
Gabby wants to bring you actually Janet here. Run.
the one with the green grill.
Ano yan, love? Hawakan mo si Kaya. Ito, kuya.
Parang dumaan sa akin yung ikyam ng gano'n na lang.
Ito pa, oh. Yan. Good, Jared?
Pastor, Yeso Cristo, kundi ito rin ay pagsasaliwa. Inuwa ng ating commitment na maging tunay na mga tupa ng mga
Outpatient department? Hospital?
Ayun, outpatient.
University Health Services. University Hotel. Dean Summit. The patio. Cochinelia.
11,000.
Thank you. Happy Mother's Day.
Picturean kita di. Yeah, give it to his. Yeah. Be careful, don't give your hand.
Dito kami sa Annalisa's. Picturean Bulaklak. Ah, may Grab din sila.
Kahit saan. Gusto ko lagyan ng kalamansiyan tsaka pero ako diretso ko. Dirito ko sa mahang eh. Chili sauce. Paborito kasi ito ng estudyante. That is our favorite ice cream.
Mango cheese po magkasama.
Mango and cheese.
Ano po yun?
Uy, hinahangin. Hinahangin pa, o Jared. Alin? Oo, si Kokoys. Start with yours.
You're tired. Tomorrow, tonight, you sleep and then tomorrow rest time naman. No? You're the sofa bed. You're that will teach you how to.
Yeah, we can open it. It's just you
And
push
then
it
I
forward.
left the bed sheet there, kuya, na flat number. Who? Where dyan po?
This is not the one like Tito Gabi. I mean, Kuya Gabi grew on.
Where did he sleep down? In the sofa bed?
I don't know. I just remember you saying
I think
that
sofa
might have
bed.
closed it.
I think it all is. I love it.
Picture. One, Mika.
So we're here at Ramen Nagi. Birthday Butao. Tapos meron sila mga condiments dito. Ano to lang? Ah! Oh, okay. May mga ano sila, side dish. Yan si Pogi. Pogi! Ito ng isang Pogi. What is this? Soya?
Soy gluten.
Chicken, karagi.
Chicken pa.
Jarvis, chef's recommendation. Kasi go that way. Gringo. Ano may gringo? Gringo. There's Dunkin' there. And there's my son. Ay! Meron pala dito entrance.
Ay, parang pala po. Pero yung bahay sa likod.
Ah, okay. Tapos doon. Ang daming establishments na. What is this? Love. Ano yan?
Decoration, top steps.
Krispy Kreme. Spaghetti house. Blah, blah.
So, last order is complete na rin.
Burgos Circle. Kaming Yellow Cab. Tapos punta kami dun sa Mine Museum. Ano, Mine Museum. Taguig. Mine Museum. Cal. Look at the name. Feel Japan experience. Ayan yung cherry blossom. Japanese. White chocolate. Matcha.
White chocolate flavor. You want that?
Puro ano. Puro Japanese. Nakakatuwa lang.
Nasaan yung anak ko?
Did you want to put it here?
And that is the end of this video. Salamat po sa panonood. I hope to see you again in my next one. Bye everyone.